Uddhav and Raj Thackeray have launched a big charge amid Mumbai's high-stakes civic polls, alleging large-scale voter fraud. The Thackeray brothers claim that the indelible ink used during voting is being deliberately wiped off to create confusion and enable malpractice. They call it ink fraud. Uddhav Thackeray even cited a clip allegedly showing indelible ink being erased from a voter's finger, raising questions over the integrity of the polling process. However, the State Election Commission has firmly rejected the elections. The poll body clarified that attempting to erase the indelible ink is a malpractice and strict legal action will be taken against anyone trying to vote again after doing so. The Commission also stressed that erasing ink does not allow repeat voting. Once a voter casts their ballot, their record is digitally registered, making double voting impossible. Officials added that clear instructions are already in place for applying the ink using a marker pen on both the fingernail and the skin above it. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis also showed on live camera that he tried to remove the ink, but he wasn't able to, questioning the opposition's intention. Now, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde also rejected these allegations, saying there is no evidence of manipulation and that the election process is being conducted fairly.
बाईचं नाव रवींद्र असेल का, पुरुष मतदाराच्या नावाच्या पुढे बाईचा फोटो, याच गोष्टी आम्ही मोर्चा काढून सांगितल्या होत्या, निवडणूक आयुक्तांच्या समोर ठेवल्या होत्या. त्याच्यानंतर शाई पुसल्या जाण्याच्या तक्रारी येत आहेत. तर हे सगळे निवडणूक जिंकण्यासाठी यांचा आटापिटा चाललेला आहे. बोटावरची शाई तर पुसली जातेच आहे, असे प्रकार यापूर्वी कधी झाले नव्हते.
ये न केने प्रकारे निवडणुका जिंकायच्या आणि त्याच्यासाठी जे काही वाटेल ते करता येईल त्याच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी सरकार आणि प्रशासन. परंतु आता हे मशीन आणलंय, हे मशीन कोणत्याही राजकीय पक्षाला दाखवलेलं नाहीये. पण हे मशीन आणल्यावरती त्याचं क्लॅरिफिकेशन, त्याची स्पष्टता ही निवडणूक आयोगाने द्यायची, ते देत नाहीयेत. मागितल्यानंतर पत्र पाठवल्यानंतर पण ते देत नाहीयेत. आणि आज तर अजूनच वेगळं काहीतरी की बाबा आजपर्यंत ती इंक लावली जायची, बरं का, आता काहीतरी नवीन पेन आणलंय आणि ते पेन मध्ये इतक्या तक्रारी सगळ्या बाजूनी येत आहेत की तुम्ही बाहेर पडल्यावरती त्याला जर सॅनिटायझर लावलं तर ती शाई जाते.
अभी मैंने ये मार्कर मेरे को लगाया हुआ है, अब इसको मिटा के दिखाइए. देखिए कहीं मिट रहा है, देखिए आपके सामने कर रहा हूँ, कहीं मिट रहा है. ऐसा है कि हो सकता है कि किसी का इसके ऊपर ऑब्जेक्शन हो. इलेक्शन कमीशन ने देखना चाहिए, और कुछ इस्तेमाल करना है तो करना चाहिए. मैं तो बोलता ऑयल पेंट करना है तो ऑयल पेंट करिए. चुनाव निष्पक्ष होने चाहिए.
देखिए बोगस मतदान नहीं होना चाहिए, इसीलिए तो पोलिंग एजेंट हर पार्टी के वहाँ रहते हैं, हर पार्टी के पोलिंग एजेंट वहाँ रहते हैं. अगर हमको पता चलता है कि ये बोगस है तो उसका एक उसके पास आईडी होगा तो दूसरा पहचान पत्र उससे मांग सकते हैं और आरओ को कह सकते हैं ये बोगस है, इसे दूसरा आईडी प्रूफ मंगाओ. तो ऐसे करके वो बोगस वोटिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए. बोगस वोटर को वहाँ पर अब जैसे उसके ऊपर जो पोलिंग एजेंट है वो लेंगे तो उसको वोटिंग करनी.
And joining us on this issue is India Today's Vidya. Vidya, while the politics may play out on this issue, what is more important to understand is what the State Election Commission says about it, about the ink, about the act of erasing it, and about the possibility of someone trying to vote again. And the issue is not just voting again on your own name. This can lead to voting on fake names.
The State Election Commission, the Commissioner Dinesh Wagmare, when he just spoke about this entire issue and said that there seems to be a fake narrative that is being built up because there is nothing different from what the ink that is used in a parliamentary election or assembly election is the same silver nitrate that is used then and even now. And it's not the first time that marker pens are being used because marker pens with that particular ink have been in use since 2010. However, what he said was that in case they see someone who has erased the ink and has tried to again vote that will certainly not be taken down lightly, and the case would be registered against the person, one. And secondly, they said that also the fact remains that there is a fake narrative that is being built up suddenly for this particular election, and that is not right. In case they see that this is being done deliberately, then it would be taken, they would take cognizance of it and make sure that such cases are dealt with iron hand. But at this point, he very clearly, the Commissioner Wagmare said that it takes a few seconds for someone to the ink to dry. So if someone tries to erase it well before, while inside the voting center, while it has just been put and
That was Vidya, who was joining us from Mumbai and telling us what the stand of the EC on this entire issue is. But the question remains, as we see the Chief Minister there on their screens trying to show that how his ink is not getting wiped off, the question remains that there are videos that are viral on the social media, which the Thakres are raising, where people are showing the ink getting wiped off. So the cognizance of this matter has been taken by the State Election Commission, and it needs to be investigated whether it is possible to wipe that ink off or not, and whether any sort of malpractice has happened or not.